Well, it has, I think, rightly been said that what's in a name, because maybe like a couple of months back, no one would have thought that a movie with the title called Sonu Ki Titu Ki Sweetie would be such red hot before the release, and now it is actually, and it's releasing on 23rd February, and we have the star cast, Nusrat Bharucha, जो कि बहुत कभी कभार नजर आती हैं, but she's amazing in the promo so far. Sunny Singh and my brother Karthik Aryan. Pleasure having you guys on board now. First of all,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you for
Hi, I'm Nusrat Bharucha.
Hi, this is Sunny Singh.
Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
So we have 5 questions, and whoever gets the maximum answers, so he wins.
ठीक है.
Okay. Otherwise, you can share it. Okay.
I want
The first one.
Question तो सुनना.
Okay. The first one is films based on love triangles, and various permutation combination is coming in the question. So we have 3 characters in the film. One is autistic, one is deaf and dumb, and the third one is normal. And these 3 young
Barfi.
people.
I hate this man. I'm imagining Ranbir Kapoor. I'm imagining
Barfi.
I'm like नाम क्या है?
Imagine से कुछ नहीं होता. Picture देखनी जरूरी.
So this is
मैं पुराने
One.
में चला गया.
Just
Yeah.
I need to come into action. Shut up.
young girl is torn between an obsessive lover named Maddie and a mild mannered.
रहने दे रहे
बोल दिया मैंने.
मैंने बोला यार.
He's used
उसने
to-
रहना बोला बस.
He was quick. He used to पूरा बोला.
मैंने
उसने
भी
एक
तो
साथ
पूरा बोला.
नहीं नहीं.
Okay, okay, doesn't matter. Next.
It's a matter of
मैंने
split
नहीं बोला
second.
ये तो रहने दो.
ना। मैंने नहीं बोला. Next question.
तुम लोग आगे क्यों चल रहे हो? वहाँ बैठ जाओ.
This is like really easy. The only thing is that who comes.
Yeah.
Who
Just
comes
say the
first?
question.
Yeah.
भूमिका जरूरी है.
क्या?
भूमिका बनाना.
right.
भूमिका बना रहे हो.
I thought वो question.
During their college years, उनके कॉलेज के दिनों में, सालों में.
Student of the year.
नहीं.
एक है ये आउट हो चुके हैं. By the way ये आउट हो
सवाल तो
ये आउट है. Out.
Anjali was in love with her best friend.
You know it. You know it. You know it.
Who was?
You know it. I couldn't get that. नहीं. First
I couldn't figure it.
I won.
So
I
this
think
is null.
I heard her voice.
This is
मैं
null.
जीता. कार्तिक. See?
Karthik. So 2.
Hi. Don't say hi to me next time. Bro.
नहीं, I think he would.
See?
Come on.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
yes.
Okay, fine. Next
Yeah,
question.
I would have wanted her to because it becomes equal after that.
पर मैं जीत चुका हूँ.
It is 2-1.
You have more questions.
It is
क्वेश्चन
2-1.
पूछ लो लेकिन
It
वो
is
दे दो.
2-1.
मेरे को
चुप
दे
रहे,
दो.
दो ही मिले हैं। एक
स्पीकर मुझे दे दो.
Okay, now this one is very easy as well. You know,
गलत
it's like
दिया.
really easy.
अबे यार ये बिल्ड अप मत करो ये
गलत दिया आउट.
क्लाइमैक्स में
गलत दिया आउट.
अपन शो जो है, अपना शो जो है, थोड़ा उसमें जरूरी है.
चीटिंग
A grand musical about 3 passionate and dreamy characters,
दिल चाहता है.
Rahul, Pooja and Nisha.
दिल तो
दिल तो पागल है. दीवाना है. दिल तो पागल है.
2-1-1. 2-1-1.
मैं जीत चुका हूँ.
2-1-1.
All हुआ कि
2-1-1.
बंद हुआ?
हाँ?
इसी के गाने सुनूंगी मेरे
क्या स्कोर है?
Next
अभी
question.
2-1-1.
मैं जीत चुका हूँ.
There's one last
Oh,
question.
no.
So now I hope that there is no.
Listen, no, I need to do ties.
Just say.
This one is like, this one is really
यार,
easy as
Bluetooth
well.
दूंगा ही नहीं
This
किसी
one is really easy as well. Okay. Naina, an introverted, perpetually depressed girl.
कल होना है.
मैंने पहले बोला.
No, wait.
नैना में
मैं फंबल करके स्टार्ट हुआ.
किसके पहले बोला भाई?
अरे ऑब्वियसली मैंने तो पहले ही सही बोला.
पहले किसके?
कार्तिक ने बोला.
I think yeah, even I thought that he is.
अरे इन लोगों ने नाम ही कुछ होता है बोला. वापस से.
He was about to say but
I
you
was
said
कल
it.
होना होली
You said कुछ होता है. I said कल होना.
Kane, I can't.
You know, we'll make it civil. We'll make it civil. So she can gift it to you.
Civil?
She'll give it to you. You can have.
Bluetooth इसको
I
दो,
will-
speaker इसको दे दो.
अरे भाग जाएगी इसको.
You'll okay. So what is a victory speech? No, we'll after picture release होने के बाद करेंगे हम लोग फिर से. 100%. We'll do it once again.
Thank you to the whole team of Sonu Ke Titu Ki Sweetie, Bollywood Hungama, Faridun, everyone for the support, and I got to learn a lot.
Ridiculous.
Great
And I
prize,
hope
bro.
my co-actors they also learn. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Next.
शिवलरी तो लड़कों के लिए होती है, लड़कियों के लिए कुछ होता है.
मतलब आप सोफे पे पीछे बैठ के भी आप क्विकली जवाब दे सकते हैं.
आराम से.
ये एक-
मतलब
मतलब
ये
this
सीख
is-
ये सीख
We
मिली है
appreciate
सबको.
what you did. We really appreciate, like it's like really.
Barfi, I thought of.
आराम से
Yeah.
पीछे बैठ के just think of a movie.
Yeah, so
Just
but I
answer.
think no, that's wonderful actually.
सब पीछे बैठ गए अभी.
Rapid fire with Sunny Singh. Sunny Singh, who have you met that you wish you had not?
Oh, I think the driver जिसके साथ में अभी
That you wish you had not?
we can just add a tip there.
That's the safest answer actually in the world. But we'll
We get
move
a
on.
safest answer from me only.
Same driving.
Okay, so what fashion trend do you just not get?
I seriously don't understand very jazzy, loud colors. I can't understand that. For me, it is very. I can't see myself there. No, not this though, which has a gold in it or something like that. I
अच्छा.
can't get it.
Like Bappy sir type.
नहीं वो तो यार वो तो चेन पहनते हैं ना उसमें
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं कह रहा. I'm talking about the clothes. You have the different colors.
Right.
मैं अपने आप को मैं कभी पहन ही नहीं
किसी का
सकता.
नाम?
I go very subtle.
Basically metallics then, gold.
Yeah, we can say metallic.
Metallic.
So fashion trend is metallics. That
जी
used
जी
to love.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. What is one item you could never live without? Item से मुराद है कोई चीज.
Item
आप कुछ और मत समझिएगा.
Phone.
Phone. So you cannot live without the phone. What is any other answer comes to your mind? You can take it otherwise.
वापस
You can take it otherwise. You don't mind.
Edit हो जाएगा.
हम लोग non-judgmental type है. Non-judgmental type लोग हैं.
अभी भी time है.
What is that one thing you hate about being in a relationship, and one thing you like about being in a relationship?
One thing I hate is when you keep nagging about something or keep asking again and again कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, on repeat like it's on loop.
Right.
जो चलता रहता है. And when you answer it like at once only you say like you know looking fab and superb, everything suits you. But वो बोल देते नहीं फिर भी मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं अच्छी नहीं लग रही ना. जब पता है अच्छी नहीं लग रही तो बोल दो ना अच्छी नहीं लग रही. And
ऐसा क्यों होता है नुसरत? तो like this is something that even Karthik was telling me a short while back that it's a bit difficult to understand women that what they really want. उनको पता सीधा आंसर समझ में नहीं आता. Like they want like no. ऐसा क्यों होता
there
है?
is sometimes it's good also, it's cute, but when she asks like one or two times, but when you repeat it again and again, you get irritated and you can't even show that face that you get
Right.
irritated.
Right.
And there's going to be a big fight.
मतलब मर्दों को डैमेज कंट्रोल भी शुरू में कर
पागल हो जाते हैं हम प्यार में. I think.
नहीं अभी मतलब डैमेज कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे क्यूट भी लग रहा है बचा रहा है धीरे धीरे what is it that you like?
I think when a person actually takes care of you and then small things that she does, that's the thing I like.
Although with this hypothetical,
Oh.
with whom would you like to have these relationships? Friends with benefits.
Anushka Sharma.
Friends with benefits, Anushka Sharma. Long term relationship.
That too Anushka Sharma.
अच्छा दोनों चीजें मतलब विराट कोहली का तो कोई चांस नहीं.
कोई नहीं chance.
मैरिज
Anushka Sharma bro.
भाई
He's an outright fan.
3 things you do when no one is watching you.
watch your songs.
When nobody is
Anushka
watching me.
Sharma songs, Anushka songs.
ये अच्छा था but लेकिन ये नहीं पाएगा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Somebody is watching you.
I pray a lot. Like I keep praying like again and again I do that. So that is one habit what I do.
Okay, anything else?
And
He's like,
no, I'm telling you honestly, bro.
बोलो.
It happens. It runs in my
Everyone prays, all of us pray.
family. But there's a habit when you do it. Like when
वो सब
nobody is
सामने
watching
नहीं
you,
करता.
just pray or something like that. It happens with me.
और second,
Anything else?
Second, I keep scratching my thighs or something.
third,
Third, you don't want to get into it.
You will want to. We're not
This is what I said. This is what I
We're not-
keep,
scratch, pray and
that's it.
praise,
that's
scratch and
it.
eat.
अच्छा.
And repeat.
And repeat it
Repeat.
again and again.
Ideal romantic holiday according to you?
Paris है.
Paris.
क्योंकि क्या है ना एक बार भी गए नहीं है फोटो में देख कर चल रहा है तो बेटर गो दे.
Ideal है.
Okay, so that's I think he has fared better than what I expected. So not bad, not bad.
I thought you said he's failed better than that.
No, I think you will have to admit.
He did well.
Rapid fire with Nusrat Barucha. Which movie would you prefer watching on a girls' night?
America's Sweethearts.
Okay,
I love Julia Roberts in that a lot.
okay. A love triangle you would love to be a part of.
Love triangle.
can I say Notebook? There was a love triangle there, right? She was in love with someone else later. So Notebook.
It's not exactly a.
हाँ, but end में वो she's choosing between two boys.
हाँ but हाँ notebook.
You can't argue with women.
हाँ वो इसीलिए मैंने बोला था.
लड़की हमेशा जीतती है.
जो तेरे बंदे.
That is the line.
सही है
The
भाई.
line.
Even if
thriller है.
पिक्चर भी अगर नहीं देखी तो बिल्कुल सही
हाँ
है.
बिल्कुल सही.
What is one thing that annoys you the most?
Annoys me the
जी
most.
जी.
When someone gets me wrong. When but it's true.
That's right.
Right now.
We understood.
नहीं,
That's right.
बाद
नहीं,
में
we
फिर-
तो are like mesmerized. We are, we are an awe. 125 million. आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे हम कहेंगे सही है.
कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकते.
हाँ जी. If you could trade lives with anyone for a day, who would it be and why?
Trade lives.
जी, someone else. Who would be and why?
Trade lives. Maybe Jennifer Lawrence.
Why?
Because I think she's a fab actor and I just don't know how she does what she does on an everyday basis. So I want to just be in her shoes one day.
Okay. What is one thing you own you wish you didn't?
Oh yeah, oh god. I have this purple shirt. Yuck. Which has shiny purple shirt which has I didn't know it at the time of buying it. So you know how Playboy has that bunny symbol? Well, that shirt has those Playboy bunnies symbols all over it. And I had no idea that was what it was. So I bought it.
Right.
And then I wore it and I was the laughing stock of a whole restaurant. And I went home and I locked it in one secret thing. I said, I'm never going to take you out. So I wish I'd
You
never.
did have a word with the shirt also. No?
The whatever.
Your rapid fire is after mine.
I am never.
These are the
No.
answers. These are the answers that we wait for.
I'm never
You
gonna
know?
talk.
These are the answers. And वो metallic आपका जो था वो भी solve हो गया.
उसमें आ गया.
Metallic आ गया ना वो.
Okay, so Nusha ji, describe a perfect kiss in 3 words.
Soft, tender, and paced out.
On Tinder.
क्या था तीसरा क्या?
Paced out. आराम से.
Paced out, मतलब जल्दबाजी क्या है आपको?
Exactly.
Okay.
Not going anywhere, right?
This is like, you know,
थोड़ी देर बाद क्वेश्चन करते हैं.
let it sink in.
Let's see.
Do you have a song that reminds you of a relationship? If so, which song?
ए दिल है मुश्किल title track.
Oh, okay.
तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल everything the whole
Right.
writing.
She's so talented. मतलब आप लोगों को लगता नहीं, मतलब she can dance so well, she can sing. आप लोग कभी
हमें
complex नहीं होता
नहीं,
दोनों
हमें
का?
लगता है हम सोफे पे
मतलब क्या
बैठे
है यार,
हैं।
मतलब
हमें लगता है हम सोफे पे बैठे क्यों हैं? साथ में
Seriously?
बैठ जाते हैं.
right.
झगड़ा-
Everything that she can do.
जल्द से जल्द वो आंसर देते जा रही है.
मतलब-
ऐसा लग रहा है she more intelligent. She knows
हाँ.
everything.
I think question ही इसलिए नहीं था, ऐसा लग रहा है.
ये टर्न तो नहीं हो जाएगा.
वो ऐसा लग रहा है वो आपको पूछ रही है, आप जवाब दे रहे हो.
नहीं, I'm तो starstruck एकदम बिल्कुल. I've never been. I'm totally starstruck. Rapid fire with Karthik Aaryan now.
Yes.
So Karthik Aaryan, hypothetical stuff.
Hypothetical. Everything is
Enjoy,
hypothetical.
fun. What will you find in the Google search history of a few stars?
Let's go.
मेरे साथ ये नाम क्यों attach किया?
Let's go.
What will you find in the Google search history of few stars? Alia Bhatt.
I can help. Can I help?
Please,
Like,
please.
Yeah, please.
You are the intelligent one over here.
Yeah.
Cats.
The most intelligent one.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
cat,
This is
cats
laughing
is
at
there.
Cats.
Cats. She loves cats. So
Right.
I guess वो आएगा.
हाँ.
And I think who's the Prime Minister of Kenya or who's the Prime Minister of India? वो भी आते हैं बहुत. अभी भी आते हैं I think. But she's very smart
I
by the way.
helped.
Yeah.
Try to.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
I'm not helping now. I helped you.
Ranbir
once.
Kapoor. रणबीर कपूर के गूगल में सब आता है यार.
Right.
संजय दत्त.
Sanjay Dutt.
Right now, maybe.
Right now.
Right.
Yeah, संजय दत्त.
Sanjay Dutt.
That's it.
मतलब इतना बेचारे.
Sanjana type है.
He is the guy.
Rockstar. सब आता है अभी दत्त बायोपिक.
हाँ.
And football.
अच्छा.
And
मतलब
What do you want?
रणबीर कपूर डिसाइड कर ले कि लाइफ को बोरिंग बना देते हैं. आमिर खान के जैसे डायलॉग ना, लाइफ को बोरिंग बना देते हैं.
कभी कभी दीपिका.
अच्छा.
अच्छा.
रणवीर सिंह. हाँ.
दीपिका पादुकोण. मैंने रणवीर ही सुना था पिछले वाले में.
अच्छा.
ये नहीं था क्या?
Yeah, get damage control.
उन्होंने कपूर भी बोला था.
कपूर ही मेरा भाई. मेरा भाई. हाँ. तो अभी रणवीर सिंह.
खिलजी. ओपन लेटर या I don't know. Fashion.
फैशन.
Who wears what?
Google Map.
Who wore
Google
what?
Map.
Who
On a
wore
suit.
what?
Google Map. अच्छा, okay, on a suit. That's interesting.
ग्लोब आ जाता है पूरा।
दीपिका पादुकोण,
पद्मावत।
पद्मावत, अब तो पद्मावत रिलीज भी हो गई, कामयाब हो गई।
On a serious note, it comes across कई बार because she does the depression वाला thing, anti-depression thing that she's been
Love,
doing a campaign,
life.
which is a great thing.
Live,
which,
love, laugh.
Live, love, laugh, which I guess so it comes across whenever you search for it.
Okay, what would you do if you woke up with your ex while you are dating? Hypothetical है, अपनी पिक्चर के साथ भी जाता है।
Put them on conference.
Give her a.
नहीं,
ऐसे ये बोलूं? Okay.
मैं वापस सो जाऊंगा।
Why?
वापस सो जाऊंगा, उठूंगा वापस अपने जिसके साथ हूँ उसके साथ जगूंगा। भूल जाऊंगा ना।
सनी सिंह के आप साथ में हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप इस तरीके की बातें करेंगे वो, है? This is not मतलब।
मैं नहीं उठूंगा ही नहीं, कभी नहीं उठूंगा मैं।
Describe your most stupid encounter with one of the fans. Have you had like a stupid encounter with any of the fans?
Stupid नहीं, अभी recently I had this encounter where there was this sweet girl जो मेरे को जहाँ पे भी देख रही थी, मैं I had gone for an event, कुछ opening था कहीं पे, तो so inside the restaurant where I was, so she was just screaming and howling. तो जैसे ही मैं उसको देख रहा था तो वो जोर जोर से चिल्लाती थी, "आह!" और मैं फिर इधर देखने लगा तो चुप हो जाएगी, वापस इधर देखो ना, "आह!" तो so that was something which was really I mean I don't know, it was sweet also, but it was something which was really I didn't get it. So the moment she came up to me and she wanted to click a photograph, तो वो मेरे पास आई सामने, तो फिर कान में भी जोर से चिल्लाई मेरे। तो मैं डर गया कि कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है, बट देन वो एक एनकाउंटर अभी रिसेंटली मेरे साथ।
No problem, no problem.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
No, अभी तो होता रहेगा ये सब चीजें। Best on-screen chemistry of 2017 और 18, अगर आपको कुछ लगे अब तक, if you felt that.
2018 की I guess यही शायद दीपिका।
What about Jim Sarb and Ranveer Singh?
Yeah, they look cute too.
They are like their chemistry is more talked about than anyone else.
जेम्स सराफ एंड रणवीर सिंह।
Correct ना?
करेक्शन, हाँ।
देखिए, जज नहीं करते अपन किसी को,
नहीं, it's a good.
जज नहीं करते। नहीं, I'm serious. I'm serious.
I love that
You know, you
song.
should see the Google searches and for
I
both
love
of
that
them.
song,
They're called
Vintage.
Jim Veer.
हाँ, जिम वीर,
They're becoming Jim Veer, yeah.
जैक एंड जिल जिम वीर। तो
Yeah.
वो, but I like their that song, yeah, the romantic song.
हाँ.
Not the romantic song, but
हाँ.
the Binte Dil.
Binte Dil.
I
Very
loved
nice.
it.
Very nice. Who gets the most visitors on the sets? Like on the sets of Sonu?
मेरे पहचान वाले बहुत हैं, तो वो लोग बहुत आते हैं।
नहीं, इसके
आपके
ज़्यादा आते हैं।
सबसे ज्यादा आपके आते हैं?
इसी के
हाँ, I think.
ओके कार्तिक जी, अभी पिक्चर अपनी रिलीज की तरफ है, सारे के सारे जो रिश्ते नाते निभाने थे वो सब हो चुके हैं।
हाँ.
अब आप इस सवाल का जवाब दे सकते हैं।
Okay.
Who was a better co-star with whom that you had a better time? Two people. You have to. धर्म संकट है, आप म्यूजिक आप इमेजिन कर लीजिए इसमें।
शंख बज रहे हैं,
जी,
घंटियाँ बज रही हैं।
जी जी।
जो मैं कैरेक्टर भी मेरा है, इसलिए बस मैं टीटू को चूज करूंगा, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
Bromance.
हाँ, ब्रोमांस को चूज करने के लिए मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम श्योर स्वीटी भी यही चूज करती,
टीटू को?
टीटू को।
हाँ, romance.
शी विल चूज रोमांस,
Romance. I'm always romance.
सो दैट्स द रीजन कि मैं सन्नी को चूज करता। मेरे को एक्चुअल में
Shock. Why are you in shock?
No, no,
Why are
मैं
you
I'm
like-
just figuring it out.
Like,
नहीं,
he-
2018 में अलग-अलग रोमांटिक जोड़ियां आएंगी।
100%। अपन तो जज नहीं करेंगे, बिल्कुल नहीं
बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे।
कर रहे नहीं है। नहीं ना।
सो मेरे को नुसरत से ज्यादा इस फिल्म में सन्नी के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने को मौका मिला। मौका मतलब करना था, बिकॉज जिस तरीके की फिल्म है, जिस तरीके का हम लोग का ब्रोमांस है, टू ड्वेल इनटू इट,
I'm the
टू
center point basically.
हाँ, ये सेंटर पॉइंट है क्या? हाँ।
The romance and the bromance at the same time. So it's just that.
So I was spending more time with him. So basically that's the reason. And
नेक्स्ट अपन जोड़ेगी सोनू और टीटू।
कार्तिक सन्नी, सोनू टीटू, हाँ,
सोनू टीटू।
कार सन नहीं, संस्कार, संस्कार।
संस्कार.
जितना मजा हम लोगों को इस इंटरव्यू में आया है, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट इससे कहीं ज्यादा पिक्चर में आएगा। एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सोनू के टीटू की स्वीटी। सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट विशेस।
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Nushat Bharucha.
Hi, this is Sunny Singh.
Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.